Okay, all my broke people to the front, all the broke people to the front. So if you are broke, you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025. Now, YouTube is on easy mode. If you don't know what that means, so let's say about 6 months ago, when you started a YouTube channel, it was like pulling tooth without the anesthetic so that you don't feel the pain, because it was difficult to grow a YouTube channel. Literally, you started a YouTube channel in January. By December of 2025, you're still on 5 subscribers, possibly 2 hours of public watch time, and now things are moving real fast. You start a YouTube channel on the 1st of January. In 7 days, some people monetize their YouTube channels, meaning they got the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours within 365 days. While they got it within 7 days, I have a YouTube channel that I also started in August of 2024, and within 7 days, it was monetized. So that means YouTube is on easy mode. Yes, there are some channels that it will take probably 2 weeks to monetize, others 2 months, others 3 months. It all depends on the type of content that you are going to be putting out on your YouTube channel. So YouTube is on easy mode. That means you need to start now and jumping on the bandwagon, because once you jump on this bandwagon and you are monetized within 7 days, 2 weeks, 3 months, or whatever the case might be, your situation of being broke might be a thing of the past. Yes, I am listening to a lot of people that started their YouTube channels just this January, and now they are monetized and they are making money. But what do I mean by being broke? You could have a 9 to 5, but you're still struggling to pay your bills. You are still struggling to take care of yourself and your extended loved ones and things of that nature. And you are just miserable and looking at your paycheck every single month or every single week and thinking to yourself, oh my goodness, how do I get myself out of this situation? Start a YouTube channel in 2025. That's what I'm here for. Start a YouTube channel in 2025 and stop making excuses and take action. The action that you take at the end of 2025, who knows? You might come back and say, hey, Clantis, do you want to go for lunch? You helped me so much in 2025 because I was broke and you gave me the idea to start a channel. And now my financial struggles are over, possibly going towards your financial freedom. There is money to be made on YouTube, and that's a fact. There is money to be made on YouTube, but don't just think there's money to be made on YouTube by just doing some frivolous content on YouTube and think you are going to make money. No, you need to think about the things that you are passionate about. Whether you are passionate about gardening, sewing, crocheting, or teaching people things, or maybe you are good at finances, how to put together budget, how to save money, what things not to buy to get rich type of topics, minimalism probably you are living. Maybe you are a comic person and you like to make people laugh, or you are an inspirational person and you like to inspire people. All of that is content. Or maybe you just like vlogging and showing people your lifestyle and the things that you stand for and believe in. Maybe you are a parent. Don't show your children though. You show them what is a single mother or a married housewife does on a daily basis type of situation. And get away from being broke. The third thing that you also need to put in your mind, we are now living in a social media economy and people are forever looking for some kind of expertise or some kind of skill. And when you start a YouTube channel, there are so many things that you are going to develop in terms of skills, editing, scripting, presenting, etc. and so on. So much so somebody might even say, hey, listen, I am so lazy to edit YouTube videos. Can you please edit my videos? And then you can charge them, let's say, 2,000 Rand per hour. Yeah, 2,000 Rand per hour. Imagine getting so many YouTubers, maybe 10 YouTubers a week, and you are charging them 2,000 Rand an hour. Can you imagine how much money you are going to be making each month? Maybe somebody is interested in script writing, but they don't know how to do copywriting, and you're probably good with words and you know how to do your stuff and convince people that are watching from that particular person's channel. Then you can also charge some ridiculous amounts of money just to script write for the YouTuber or even for a television show. Because the thing is about YouTube, you will never know who is watching. You could be watched by a big television station producer or even director, and they'll be like, we want that person. And then you get an email inviting you for an interview, and the next thing we see you, you are either presenting on this big national television station, or you are a director or a producer or a script writer. You'll never know. So that is these doors of opportunities just keep opening when you have a YouTube channel, and that is how you will make extra cash, and then you will get away from being broke. The possibilities of never going broke again are pretty high when you have a YouTube channel. Like I said, doors of opportunity do open. Some of these doors of opportunity come in the form of brand deals, sponsorships. Why? Because your YouTube channel just seems to be taking off and taking off and taking off, not only making you money with Google AdSense, but also making you money with brand deals and sponsors. So you are sitting on money. If you are broke and complaining, you need to get up. You have a smartphone, don't you? What do you think that thing is for? As long as you have internet connection, whether through data or Wi-Fi, you are in business. Whether you have a 9 to 5, you are in business. So get up. And the best part about having a YouTube channel, you become your own boss. Someday when you are making enough money for you to say, I think this 9 to 5 thing that keeps me broke, I'm good with it. Now let me go full-time as a content creator, because it's making you triple, quadruple, sometimes even 10 times of what you are earning in your 9 to 5. So what's the point of taking orders from somebody who controls what time you have lunch, what time you must knock in, and what time you must knock off? And if you are sick, you have to ask for permission to go to a doctor. And when you return from a doctor, you need to have a receipt of some sort to show that indeed you went and seen a doctor. And on top of that, you got deadlines with the boss breathing down your throat. When you are a content creator full-time, you are your own boss. You make up your own time. You wake up at any given time you want to. Nobody's breathing down your throat unless you have brands that have given you a deadline for you to deliver the videos or content that they wanted you to do. But other than that, you are the one that is in control of your own life. That also includes balancing life as well as your business, which is now your YouTube channel. Yes, when you become a YouTuber, you become a business owner. Yeah, that came very fast and hit you on the face and you didn't see it coming, right? Yeah, that's YouTube for you. So stop complaining about being broke. Stop, especially, I don't know, I don't believe that, especially here in South Africa, I don't think our celebrities ever listen to our videos. If you guys ever come across this video, I'm sick and tired of you whenever you are broke, now you have to come to us asking for money. You know, that question always in the back of our minds. We used to see you driving flashy cars, living in Santon, and wearing Louis Vuittons, unless those were knockoffs, and things and like that. And suddenly now you are creating videos and you are asking for help. I don't have an issue with helping, but I would like to know, what did you do with your money? Now, can you stop doing that? There is YouTube, there is TikTok, there is Instagram, and monies are made there. Am I missing something here? But anyways, I just wanted to put that in there, that if you are broke and you're a celebrity, you need to start a YouTube channel in 2025, and you are going to thank me later. In fact, I want you to take me out on a cup of tea date to say thank you. Anyways, guys, I don't want to drag this for too long. Please also remember that I do have a one-on-one consultation. Right now, I am 2 people to conclude before I take another group of people. I charge $75 per hour. In most cases, it's never an hour. Sometimes it'll be 2 hours, but still under $75 an hour. So if you're interested to understand what is happening with your YouTube channel, I'm your guy. Please, I will leave my details in the description box below for you to make a booking. Yeah, like I said, 2 people, then I'm done, and then I'm taking a new batch, and that could be you. Now it's thundering as that is a mark you to leave. Please don't leave the video without liking, sharing, commenting, and subscribing, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.